Yo, yo, yo. Yo, yo. Sorry. Alright. What we got going on today? Let's see what's going on. So gold. Let's start with the daily. So gold is currently bearish. We do have news today. It's ADP actually in 25 minutes. And also, let me just confirm what we have. So today's ADP and services PMI. But services PMI is at 3. ADP, okay, the last ADP was the 5th of February. Cool, so we're currently bearish. 4 hour is bearish too, but we're in this. If you guys saw in the chat, I was saying I was waiting for gold to break out this 4 hour range, because if it respects this support, I can see it going up. If it breaks below this support and pushes down, I'm looking for price to drop to the next daily support at 28.88. If it continues up, then I think we're chugging back up towards the highs, which I wouldn't mind at all. But yeah, right now 30 minutes just ranging. I'm not going to force anything inside this range because we've got support here, support there, and then this is the support at the lows that's been tapped twice, so it's like a little double bottom. But yeah, this is just not nice. Whenever the market's ranging, I always draw lines like this. If I'm trying to find structure, I do this. Because if I can find highs and lows, then I've got a trend. But when it's sideways, got a high here, then a high, then a low, and it's just, I'm not going to take anything in that. Pound yen is ranging too. Hello Yeehaw, hey Anna. Yeah, this pound yen ranging again. So daily's currently weak, bullish, but we've pushed up into this daily resistance here, tapped it, and we're pulling back. So if I'm going to stick with my bearish bias on pound yen, then today creates either a weak bearish candle or a resistance, a strong bearish candle, and we have a lower high to continue down. If it closes with an indecision, we'll have to see what happens tomorrow's price action. But yesterday was quite a push up, so I actually did take some sells. In fact, I'll do that afterwards. Do the 4 hour. 4 hours just ranging, bounced off this resistance again. So this whole area here to me is a 4 hour resistance area. We've had some strong rejections from this area. Same again today, potentially. And then this is what I had marked up for pound yen this morning. So the trade that I took, this resistance wasn't here, it was a bit lower. So I took this impulse entry, or continuation pattern as I like to call it, because we had a bull candle, weak bearish, and then price pushed up. So I took a quick entry, boom, secured 24 pips. It actually pushed up to, look at that, 43. But like I said, my magic keys, I was trying to hit close partial, stop loss break even, but for some reason my magic keys weren't working. In fact, I need to check that out, see what's going on with that. Let's close C trader and try again. But yeah, pound yen still have the bearish bias if this resistance holds. And then what's the range like to the left? Don't even have a clean range. Got a support here, a resistance there. Yeah, it's not very nice, is it? What's up, Benny? So yeah, pound yen, we're gonna wait, but ideally this sells would be nice. We can close below the support, and we do have this support right here, and we've got pretty much a clean range down. So the sells I took yesterday were, obviously I'm bearish from pound yen. I was aware that we were at a daily support, but what I was looking for is for price to create a wick. I wanted price to wick down in this area and then reject. So that's why I took the sells. But I got in, and it took a while. I got in, it was a retest around here. I actually used a 1 hour high. So it was above this candle. Their previous candle high. Yeah, this 1 o'clock. There's about 40 pips. There's about 40 pip stop loss that I actually had. I thought it was behind this candle when I checked the broker. It was here. And then it pushed down. It was ranging for a bit. This candle closed bearish. I took another entry. Again, my magic deals were being very slow, so the entry was a little bit late, but I got in again. It should have been here, but it was a bit lower. When price pushed 10 pips, I closed 80% of both, and then just closed the rest not long after that. I think like 10 pips after that. Got the breakdowns on my Instagram, and I'll do a recap video end of this week because I've got it all recorded and logged. I'll show you my C trader so you can actually see the trades, you know, some accountability. And yeah, but then I looked back, glad I got out of that trade because price pushed up like crazy. Like pound has been very erratic recently. How big was this push? Right, from the lows, 340 pips back up. It's been very erratic, very erratic. But yeah, closure below, I think I'm definitely leaning more towards sells, even though we had this big bullish candle. It really depends on how today closes and today's price action, but yeah, this is quite a strong resistance area. You see that we've got a lot of wicks up here, so I think we drop. It said insane moves on GJ. Listen, pound yen is nothing to play with right now. Nothing to play with right now, so be very careful. And gold, yeah, gold, we're chilling, we're chilling. Let me change. But I'm still bullish on gold, obviously with Trump. Trump and all his talks yesterday. He's got a lot to say, that guy. Right, that's updated. Cool. So yeah, we'll see what goes on. We'll see. I mean, we do have a little range within the range, but this is too tight to take anything for me. 50 pips is a stop loss now. So I wouldn't even, I would rather wait for a breakout. And because it's the 4 hour too, if we can break these out of the 4 hour range, then we've definitely got some direction. So last ADP was 5th of February. So let's have a look. Let's see what happened. 5th of Feb at 1:15. Okay, we had a little drop. Nothing crazy. What's that in total? 40 pips. 40 pips. Nothing major. Hey, Rosie. Yeah, nothing major, nothing going on really. Everything's just ranging. When was the last services PMI? Let me see when that was too. So that was, oh, 5th of Feb as well. Let's go back. That was 3 o'clock. Oh, right here. So it was bullish. Looks like we might have made a new high. Probably did. Pushed above. So the whole candle, 30-minute candle, wasn't much. Wasn't crazy impactful. More than ADP. Well, 50 pips again, 51 pips. And then drop back down. So yeah, this news isn't really high impact, neither is ADP, but we should see a little bit of volume coming after it's released. Range, go away. I hear that. Anyone catch any trades this morning? Anyone catch any moves? I just caught that one quick move. Gotta wait for that volume to kick in. Pound the end of flipping hell, look at this. London session would have been painful to stream. Nothing's really been happening in London recently. Okay, we had a little, not even a closure above. We had this drop. This has all been range. So nice continuation pattern here. 6 o'clock. Yeah, nothing really going on. Maybe a closure below. Just about. Yeah, bad price action at the moment. London session has been awful. Yeah, it hasn't been great. Hasn't been great. Like, I always wake up, I look at the markets. I'm like, can I see anything happening? Any potential? What would I need to see to set up? If I don't really see anything, I'm not rushing to get to the charts. There's no point. Okay, gold's dropping. Got 5 minutes till ADP. Keep an eye on pound yen over here. Let me go on the 15-minute time frame so we can see how news really pushes this candle. Closure below for quick sells. I don't really want to trade this news, to be honest. I don't really want to trade this news. Even though I don't think the volume is going to be crazy. If it does drop a little 40 pips, I think I'll wait. Because it's on the 15-minute time frame as well. If it was the 30-minute closure below, then I'd like it a bit more, but not the 15. It's an untrustworthy time frame. Alright, 3 minutes. Pound yen looks like it's pushing back up too. Oh my god. This is nasty price action right now. I can't believe pound yen pushed 300 pips though. Can we talk about that for a second? Like, when does pound yen behave like this? What is going on? 188 to come all the way up 300 pips. That's not normal. Maybe on the strength of the Trump tariffs? I don't even know, because that was at, when did it start? I mean, it did start when it bounced off this daily support. We got a higher low, and we swung all the way back up. You might risk it. Hey. I mean, ADP is not as volatile as like CPI or NFP. So it might not push as quick as the other news. So if you get an entry, go for it. Most likely won't get slipped. I mean, you might get slipped a little bit, but it won't be crazy. If you had like a sell stop. Yo, 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 yo. Bro, everywhere range. Everywhere range. It's ridiculous. Alright, gold's pushing up. GJ's dropping. Oh, GJ can't even keep up. I didn't think this news would be that impactful for pound yen. Had a little push up, then a drop. Staying away until the new 4-hour candle. Yes, 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 yes. Definitely a smart idea. Because look, both 4-hour candles not really giving much direction, to be honest. Like, nothing's giving any direction, no time frame. So yeah, I have to wait for a clean move. 2 lots of news today as well. Oh, I need to re-add my magic keys. No wonder it's not working. That makes sense. There we go. That's better. Had to add it back onto the chart. Let's do it for gold. Open. Gold. Delete that one. 23rd. Yep. Perfect. Cool. Alright, but yeah, no trades right now. Nothing. Not with this price action. Had a bit of a spike. Just making a little shopping list. Maybe a pound yen closure below. Although, how big is this top wick? Oof, 55 pips. It's a bit long, not gonna lie. It's a bit too big. 55 pips on pound yen. But I would prefer the sells more than the buys, just because it's pushing away from this 4-hour and daily level. The sells make more sense at the moment. Daily opened right here. Daily's currently bearish. Horrible price action this morning, this afternoon, all day. I was very lucky to get the trade that I did. Yeah, but I didn't plan to be in it for too long, to be honest. Because it seemed counter trend to me. As you guys know, I've been very bearish on pound yen for like the past, I would say it's been what, 2 weeks now? I don't even like the closure below on gold. I do prefer the closure below on pound yen though. I do. Because we've got a clean range for the sells. We've tested this support twice. If we get a closure below, obviously it's broken. We've been making lower highs here. So yeah, it's not bad. It's not bad. Cleaner range than gold. Yeah, that's what I'm thinking. That's what I'm thinking. That's exactly what I'm thinking. If we can get the closure below. It's a big if. Let's see if it gives us that closure. Yeah, with gold, I mean, we got this wick, and we got this support, that support. This support is actually a high low as well. It's just doesn't look great. Doesn't look great. What are you guys thinking? Oh, looks like pound yen's dropping. Only thing is the stop loss is too big, isn't it? 15-minute stops. Still 40 pips. I don't want to force anything, but at the same time, it looks good. And I've got my magic keys working again. It's just thinking about risk management now. That's what I'm thinking about. Like, where would I close partials in drawdown, especially if I'm using a 15-minute stop loss? Stop loss looks too big, man. It's getting bigger and bigger. It's getting bigger and bigger. It's 4 hour looking like. Okay, 4 hours broken a previous low. I like it. I'll be honest with you. Got a lower high on the 4 hour too, so we could be getting something like this yesterday, like what we had yesterday. 4 hour candles bearish, next one makes top wick, continues the pullback. The sales look good. I think so. I think so. I think they do. It's just a stop loss that doesn't look great. That's the only thing that doesn't look great. And look, stop loss is getting bigger. Flipping hell. It's gonna run without us. It might run without me. Maybe a retest like yesterday. A little retest entry. GJ in 15-minute, waiting for a pullback in order to get a good setup. Is that a question? You got a question mark? I presume that is. Are you asking if that's a good setup? So what I would want to see is a retest of this support, like a top wick, tap that support, and then we come down and fill this range. That's what I'm looking for. Now, if it can pull up and I can get an entry on this support, then the stop loss is a bit shorter. It's 33 pips, which I don't mind. So that's what I'm looking for, an entry at 34.3-ish. If I can get that pullback. I want to make a decent top wick first and then drive down. Go on, pull up just a little bit more. It's a little bit more. Or maybe just take the break of the low and have a quick 15 pip stop loss. Yeah, I think I'm going to try that. Little 15 pip stop, break of this low. If this candle doesn't want to push up anymore. And then I use the 15-minute as a stop loss. 15-minute high. But if it pushes too much into the range, then I won't take anything. Maybe continuation patterns. I mean, it's still early. Still have 12 minutes left to see how this candle closes. A continuation pattern will be even better. Only thing I'm really cautious about is the next candle is a new 4-hour candle. So it could make a long top wick. So ideally price should, if you get into this trade, should drive down before that new hour candle opens, a new hour and 4-hour. Don't really need to be on the 15. Use entry candle lows, entry candle highs for stop. Where is it? About 191.18. Pushing, it's getting close. Alright, I'm in a trade. If it comes back, what I get in at 18.7. If it comes up to the candle open, then I'll close half. It's a very tight stop loss. The TP is down here. But yeah, I'll close 50%. If it comes back to its own candle open, I'm gonna close 50%. Alright, where's my magic keys at? Shoot, where'd it go? No bueno. Man, these magic keys are like hard to find. Where'd you go? Ooh, nice push, nice push, nice push. Let's go, come on. Push. GJ is way too erratic these days. Come on, drive down. This price is way too erratic, man.
You just gotta bend your knees, take a deep breath, and jump. And you might think, what if I fall? Well, what if you don't? What if you fly?
Alright, it's 5 pips up so far. We did get to 10. Let's come back to entry, hovering in profit, 1 pip, 2 pips. Ooh, that was a pullback. I'm nearly at my close half point. Wait for the pullback in 5 minutes. Yeah, I don't use a 5-minute time frame. Kudos to anyone that can, because that is it's a serious time frame. Yeah, it's not for me. There we go, that's the right direction. Push the 10 pips again, just drop a little bit more. It wants to push, it knows it does. Just do it. Let's go. Come on. It's okay. Wow, that's way too much spray. Do. Come on, GJ, push. I don't like the way this candle is creating, I'll be honest with you. I think next time it gets to 10 pips, I might just lock some in. It's retracing a bit too much for my liking. And then the next 15 is going to have to come and make a top wick as well. Which shouldn't be bad, should survive the previous top wick, to be fair. So expecting more of a push from this candle, really. Got a clean range to the left. Price is already making lower highs here. Got some rejections to the upside. Got the closure below. We've broken the previous 4-hour low and the one before that. So yeah, price should push down some more. Some good confirmations we have there. Daily's bearish, 4 hours bearish. Yeah, go on, push down. You heard the confirmations. You're bearish, come on. Where's the market makers? Let me send them a message real quick. Tell them to stop playing. Shoot them a little WhatsApp. Oh, I didn't quite get to that 10 pips I was looking for. Jeez. Jeez Louise. We're close though, we're very close. How big is this stop loss? This stop loss is 1 point. Let me write that down actually. Alright, this new 15-minute candle's about to open. And then we've got to survive the top wick. Hopefully it just makes a little top wick and then continues to drive down. Oh, gold is dropping. Wow. 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 Gold is... I don't know what gold wants to do right now. But I wouldn't mind if it fell down to this 4-hour support. I'm definitely curious to see how this 4-hour candle closes on gold. And we still have that news in an hour and 15 as well. Interesting. Come on, GJ, be like gold. Just drop. Gold dropped like what, 100 pips? More than 100 pips just now? This is a... yeah, more than 100. Look at that, 130 pips. 147 pips to be precise. You hear that, GJ? Don't let gold show you up. Gold fell crazy, right? Right? Our GJ's over here playing. Now, if this 15-minute doesn't break this previous low, I've got to close the trade. Alright, is it making a longer top wick? It's 15. I don't know if it wants to drive down. It's not really giving that push. Hopefully it's just a top wick. But I'm very happy with this stop loss. I'm not gonna lie. Stop loss is actually 14 pips, which I think is the smallest stop loss I've had on pound yen for a while. It's usually between 25 to 40 pips. Yeah, 25-40 pips is like the new standard. Go on, GJ. Feel the wick, break the low. Dun, 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 dun. There we go. Come on, get to 20 pips so we can lock some in. Oh my god. Yo, GJ. It got to like 18 and a half. Oh, 19 and a half. Got my finger over the magic keys. Close custom. Come on, push, push. Just a little bit more. I know when it gets there, I'm going to miss it. Come on, quickly. It's a little drop. It's a little bit more. GJ is so shady right now. What is this? Wow, right? But I mean, like I said, I think it fills the range anyway. So now it's just a thing of being patient. But the way price is jumping is very, yeah, it's not nice. Look at Goldie though. Look at gold drop. Come on, GJ, give us that 20 pips. So close, so close. Two pips away. Boom. Oh, I didn't close it. There we go. Jeez. Magic keys, man. You guys kill me. Right, closed. 8% at 20 pips. Stop loss to break even. Let's go. All the way to the bottom of this range. Come on. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. $30 pips. W trade. Yes, 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 yes. Now we just gotta let this bad boy run. Ooh, don't pull back. Come on, keep going. So I'm most likely, do you know what? I was going to say I'll close when the next 4-hour candle opens, but I think the next 4-hour candle makes a top wick, but continues down back through this range. That's honestly what I'm thinking. That's actually what I'm thinking. Like, we have a retracement of yesterday's push. Almost missed this trade. I was in a meeting. Yeah, man, this closure below. Did you see the setup though, Caswell? Did you see the stop loss? The stop loss was, it was just above this support. 14 pip stop loss on this one. Gorgeous. Gorgeous. Yeah, this was a nice one. This was a nice one. And to be honest, I didn't use buy stops or sell stops for this one. It was just straight manual entry. Straight manual entry. Well done if you caught it. Well done if you held. Sorry if you didn't. Saw the break, looked at the stream, then entered without stop loss. I hear you on that. I hear you. I hear you. I hear you. Previous candle high would have been a big stop loss, but this was a really good stop loss today. Using the entry candle high. That is one thing I said I wanted to work on, having smaller stop losses, and I was looking to manage risk very close. I still didn't even want to take the whole 14 pip stop loss as well, to be honest. I was ready to close some. So where I said close 50% here, we didn't even hit it. So there's no point in that being there. Didn't even have to use it, which was perfect. So yeah, full position running. This was a nice one. Right, had a decent week so far. Good week so far. Where's my little tracker? I'm in two minds whether I should close before the new 4-hour candle opens, just because I want to survive the top wick, but I might just let it run. Alright, so this week we are up, that's 2%, 350, so about 5%, not including today. 5% up this week, up 2% today with the earlier GBPJPYs and this partial closed. So if we close right where we're at now, or if it hits break even, then it's 2% on the day. I'll take it. I'll definitely take it. Let me add that to the tracker. Let me just put this. I'm doing this a very long way. I just wanna add this to my tracker before, so I don't have to do it again. So bear with me, guys. Bear with me. Closed 80% here. Right, what price was that? History. Closed 80% at 97.2. We also need to survive the 4-hour top. But yeah, that's what I was saying. It's like you read my mind sometimes. It's like you say things right after I've said it. I know you're in and out of work and stuff, but yeah, that's exactly what I was saying. I didn't know whether I'm undecided. Otherwise, I'm undecided if I should close the full position or close the runner, or because I think pound yen is so bearish, I should just leave it and hope that we do survive the 4-hour top wick and price just continues down, because like I'm expecting something like this. I'm expecting a repeat of yesterday, where we respected this 4-hour level right here. We created a resistance and then we just continued dropping. And yesterday's didn't have much of a top wick on this candle. Neither did the 2 a.m. to 2 p.m. candle yesterday as well. So I think I might just leave it, take my chances. Hopefully close that 21 pips anyway. But I'm just going to add this to my tracker real quick. Copy link. And where is it? It's here. Oh wait, the gold trade was first. Let me do that one first. Yeah, but stop loss is at break even now. That's where we closed 8%, 21 pips, perfect. Now come on, GJ, push. Push, 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 push. Right, while that's doing that, look at gold. Oh my god. Gold took a nice tumble, didn't it? Gold took a nice little drop. Come on, survive this 4-hour top wick. Survive. Shoot, I'm looking at the wrong chart. So I'm looking at my looking at my broker on my PC. On my monitor. Come on, push. Once it breaks this low, it should be nice. Good to go. Come on. No, don't pull up. Come on. Come on. I really don't want to strangle this trade and start like reducing my stop loss. Like going into trading my stop too quick. But it's doing well right now. You know what, I added this to the tracker, but hasn't even closed yet. There we go, push. Let's go, let's go, let's go. Right, so closed 8% at 21.5 pips. Stop loss was 14. TP is 56. What's that? 4 to 1. Not bad. Earlier was GBPJPY, continuation pattern. Alright, let's do Daily's bearish, 4 hours bearish. The setup was a closure below. Entry was break of the low. Alright, just waiting to put my runner in. How much I close my runner at? Come on, break that low, keep going. GJ's gonna fall off the mat. Yo, it's been playing inside this massive range for how long? Oh, listen, that song, I'm traumatized by that song. I have my friends sing it all the flipping time. All the time. All the time. Did you catch this, Samba? You got in? You holding a full position? You holding a runner? What, have you been in a trade already? It's a decent win today. But you must have got a win if you're singing. Oh, did it break the low? Didn't break the low. It got very close. We still have... Wait, let me see what gold's doing. Oof. Oh, shoot. Oh, GJ, no. Yeah, it's just gonna push. Gonna do a crazy push, tap us out, and then keep going. I might close my runner at 10 pips, you know. If it gets back to 10 pips, I'm closing this runner. That came very close to the stop loss. Very close. Very, very close. Yeah, if it gets back to 10 pips, I'm just going to call it. I'm just going to call it and close it. My runners hit my stop loss at break even a lot. I mean, that runner was nearly, what, 30 pips? I can't let it run all the way back on me again, man. I'll take 10. Right, let me move my stop loss into profit some more. If I can find it behind these magic keys, come on. Here it is. Alright, so 10 pips. Alright, move my stop loss into profit, 10 pips. Which is literally where this candle opened. Just watching and learning. Nice, nice. I hope you're learning. I hope it's informative for you. I enjoy seeing people win. That's a rarity. Appreciate it. Let's see how this trade plays out. It's either gonna keep pushing or stop me out. Once it stops me out, I'm done for the day. Well, yeah, I should have some more videos coming for you soon, Samba. Some more videos. Just editing at the moment, which isn't quick. Come on, GJ. When this candle closes, if this candle closes and it's still in profit, then I'm going to move my stop loss another 10 pips into profit. It's like we're just kind of hovering around this area here. So you can see by the 5 minute. And what is this level? 191. It's a psychological level. So like I said, you always see price playing around these levels. Like watching people's techniques. So how are you what are you learning? Where are you learning? What kind of style? You trying to day trade? You swing trading? You practicing with any pairs yet? I mean, it's all good watching, but you have to put stuff into action as well. Ooh. Damn. Okay, runner got stopped out. Runner got stopped out at 10 pips. I'll take it. I'll take it. Not a bad trade though. Not bad, not bad. Good job today, guys. Alright, what's the play for the rest of the day? What's the play? What's the play? What's the play? I kind of want to see what gold does now after news. So, ISM services, PMI. It's coming up in 45 minutes. 45 minutes. I kind of want to see gold outside of this range. To be honest, it's broken out of this, below this 4-hour support. So I can imagine gold, look, it's done a retest already. If we just look at the 4-hour, it's kind of done a break and retest of this 4-hour level. So the news could potentially drive gold down some more. Drive gold down into this next support, which I was saying earlier. That's what I'll be looking for. Or if we're going to continue with this uptrend structure, I'd expect this 4-hour to close bullish and then we keep pushing up. So that's what I'll be looking for on gold. Yeah, price to form like a higher low and a support formed on a 1-hour or 30. I think gold will have a good setup before news. Yeah, I don't know which way I'm leaning towards. Normally I have a kind of bias or idea of where I want gold to go, but today I don't really. Like fundamentally I'm quite bullish, especially with the Trump tariffs. But now all these other countries are slapping tariffs on, so I think, like I was saying yesterday, gold could go either two ways. Be used as a hedge against inflation and everyone buy it as inflation goes up, or people realize that the Feds aren't going to reduce the interest rates anytime soon. In fact, inflation might get so crazy they increase the rates, and in that case gold will tank. So just gotta wait to see how the market reacts. In the meantime, obviously looking at just scalping anyway, but fundamentally I like to see some direction. Right now an upper wick is being created by the lower time frames. Or what, on gold? Yeah, I can see the fact that we've closed below this support. I can see a further pullback down to at least this 28.88. So yeah, if we can get, now I won't take anything before the news, but I will be looking at reactions after the news. Definitely. But yeah, I'm gonna leave it here, guys, because nothing's gonna be happening for the next 45. Yeah, I know what you mean for the 4-hour. Yeah. Yeah, pound yen. Pound yen, I'm still anticipating more of a drop. It actually pulled back further. It pulled back very close to entry again. Came to, I think it was 16. I just saw it on my chart. But I'm glad I closed where I did. If we get a continuation pattern here for pound yen, might be looking for some more sells. That might be a bit too close to this support. But yeah, I'm going to keep an eye on the charts. I'll be in the Discord today, guys. So yeah, we'll talk about any future moves we might see. And definitely want to see a reaction. Want to see something happen with gold. It's a lot of movement today. And yeah, back tomorrow. Okay, what's tomorrow? I'm going to set up the stream today, because I was a bit ill prepared for today, but tomorrow I will not be. Where are we at? So tomorrow we have, oh, it's only unemployment claims. Ah, that's easy. Nothing crazy tomorrow, nothing crazy. But NFP on Friday, love it. All right, guys.